we need to obtain the value of this given expression. So let's begin. So we have a raised to the power of some expression, some logarithmic expression. So let's begin with the exponent part only. So we'll take log of 1 with the base of a. Then we have added to 2 times log of 2 with the base of a plus 2 times log of 3 with the base of a. And this goes all the way up to 2 times log of n with the base of a. If we observe, we see that all the logarithmic terms has the same base of a. That means we can add all of them together using a property of logarithm. So we have log of a, that's a added to log of b. Then this will be equals to log of a times b. But in order to do that, the coefficient of logarithm must be 1. If we look at the second term, third term, and all the consequent terms, all of them has a coefficient of 2, which we need to get rid of it. Luckily, we have a property of logarithm. That means if we have a multiplied to log of b, so that's the coefficient of the log of b, which is a. This can be raised as the power of b. So that means we will get log of b raised to the power of a. So let's apply the property. We will get log of 1 with the base of a plus log of 2 squared with the base of a plus log of 3 squared with the base of a. And we continue this to our final term, or the last term. We have log of n squared with the base of a. Now we can successfully add our logarithms terms. That's because all of the logarithm has a coefficient of 1. So let's apply the property. This will give us log with the base of 1. We'll get 1 multiplied to 2 squared multiplied to 3 squared times all the way up to n squared. Right. So here 1 can be also written as 1 squared. It will mean the same thing. Now let's come back to our original question. We had a raised to the power of log of 1 with the base of a plus 2 times log of 2 with the base of a, and this goes all the way up to n times 2 times log of n with the base of a. So we can rewrite it as a raised to the power of log with the base of a of 1 squared times 2 squared times 3 squared dot that means all the way up to n squared. The reason why we have written in this fashion is because we have a property of logarithm. We have a raised to the power of, let's say, log of b with the base of a. When the base of the exponent and the base of the logarithm are exactly the same, then this entire expression becomes equals to b. So that means we can now rewrite this expression as 1 squared times 2 squared times 3 squared all the way up to n squared. We can further simplify this to rewrite it as 1 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 3 going all the way up to n, and we can square it, everything. Now what is 1 times 2 times 3 going all the way up to n? So this is the factorial n. So we have n factorial whole squared.